Hello everyone. Let us solve the definition where we read a number from the user and decide whether it is in multiples of 5 or not. That is, it is divisible by 5 or not. So we are going to use the regular expression here. So I'm not going to convert anything. I'll let the input be as a string, which is called from the text box and stored in the variable a. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to generate a pattern. So let me create the pattern. Now this pattern is going to be a little long. The first thing is from the beginning. So we start with a caret. Now a number can be of the format. Let us write down. It can be plus or minus. There can be 0 or more digits ending in either 0 or 5. So if it is ending in 0 or 5, then we say it is correct. So okay, in the beginning, we're going to have a plus or minus sign. So let me create a set only. So plus or minus. Now how many such sign symbols can be permitted? Only one maximum, or it may not be there. So we'll use the question mark here, which indicates a 0 or 1 character, followed by we may or may not have any digits, which means we may have just one digit. We may have a few digits. So let us add in the 0 or multiple digit characters. So digit characters 0 to 9, we're creating the range here, and 0 or multiple. So we'll just put a star there. And finally, we have the 0 or 5. So these are the two digits in my set and maximum one of these two. So I'll put in the quantifier here, and that's at the end. Well, that should work. Let us just try. So this is my pattern, and okay, instead of creating a variable, I can just go ahead and print. So this pattern, we need to use the test function. So I'm going to use an p dot test on the string a, and this should return a true or a false depending on whether there's a match. So it should return a true if it is divisible by 5 and a false if it is not divisible. So it says false. Okay, it's not divisible. Let's see. Yeah, it says it is divisible. And if I put in a dot sign, it should say false because fractional numbers are not supposed to be added. Let me try plus 1 to 5. It is working with a 0. It is working with any digit. It is perfect. And with a negative sign, great. So for each of the test cases I entered, it is working. So you can go ahead and try this, and in the next video we'll check out one more definition.